All right, so you have a substitute teacher, and what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video, then you're going to complete the worksheet and turn it into the sub. You will show your work, okay? If you are good for the substitute teacher, then you will be rewarded. If you are bad, you will be punished. Those are the rules, and that's how it's going to go. So today, for Group B, that would be November 5th, or today for Group A, that would be November 9th, we're going to be talking about the midpoint formula, which is something you just covered. So your midpoint formula, just a reminder, is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, then, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. All right? So the important thing here is to be able to identify your parts. So if we look at number 1 here, remember our point is written as xy. So this would be your x1, y1. This would be your x2, y2. Now we're going to just plug that into our formula. And this is what I'm doing, is showing your work, and you should be doing the same thing for every single problem. So we're going to do -1 plus -3 divided by 2. And we're going to do -8 plus -5 divided by 2. Please use your calculators, especially if you question yourself at all when it comes to negatives. So here we go. We're going to first start with -1 plus -3. We get -4, still divided by 2. Then we're going to do -8 plus -5, gives us -13. Please continue using your calculator to make sure you get the correct answers. So now we're going to take -4 divided by 2, and we get -2. And then we're going to do -13 divided by 2, and we get -6.5. And then you'll circle your answer. All right. Make sure you complete the worksheet and turn it into the proper tray / box / tote, whatever you want to call it, at the front of the room. They will be labeled, so make sure you put it in the correct one. Make sure your name is on it and your class period so that I can sort them fast and quickly and grade them. Please be good. I hope to reward you all and not punish you, and I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.